This is a STEARsoft Cloud Server tutorial about creating attendance sheets. Let's go into Demo User 3. If you are the teacher concerned, this will be your main screen and this is where you will start. If we look at our timetable and I go into a class, I've got the class names but I don't have any space to mark attendance. There's no attendance sheet. I can add individual sessions ad hoc, one by one, as I go, or I can use this thing to create multiple attendance sheets in one go. So that's one place you can do it from here. Or back here I can go to make registers and I can show details. I can do it for all classes in one go. So STEARsoft will use my timetable to automatically create, adjust and remove attendance sessions for the selected classes. That's 8R and 9MA1 in all terms, good, from today onwards. Right, I'm not going to do it from today onwards, I'm going to do it for all dates so that I can go back and put in attendance for previous times without overwriting existing attendance date. Create now. So that's a summary of what it's created. I can use these buttons, one or the other, to return back here. So I'm currently session highlighted end of Tuesday. The flashing exclamation marks show that attendance hasn't been marked in the last couple of days because I've only just created the attendance sheets. So now if I go to one of these, I now have an attendance sheet ready to put in. And it's prompted me saying there's a lot of blank entries in the past that I should be filling in. That's it for this tutorial. That's what this was about, generating an attendance sheet.